the Sri Lankan hill country. I think this part of my life there teach me about nature. Living in a city for most of my life, excepting the light pollution like there is on this temple in the middle of the video here, throwing out the light, just kind of completely unnecessary. We want to see the stars. We want to see the sun go down. We want to listen to nature. We want to look at these clouds and try and interpret what they're trying to tell us. Come to GlenMyu Estate and tell me what you think the clouds are telling you. Tell me what you think nature is trying to tell you.